Today I'm going to be looking at the knife sharpen and survival tool made by SHARPAL. This is great for your EDC knives. I personally have a Victorinox Swiss Champ, which I've made a long-term review video on, which you can have a look at on my channel. Victorinox actually do sell an EDC type knife sharpener, but for the price and what limited use of it, I didn't really appeal to me. This one cost us £8.50 when it was on offer. It's normally £10. So having a look at this item, it has a fire starter, it has an emergency whistle and a reflector to get someone's attention on where the signage is, and it has a monocrystalline diamond stick here to sharpen your gut hook and your fish hooks, and also serrated blades. And you do your straight edge blade here, so you'd sharpen it here and then clean it off on the fine honing, which is made with carbide, it says here, and the fine honing one is made of ceramic, so it should last for quite a while. So just on the back of the packaging, it just shows you some pictures of how you can use it. It's made in the USA, it's designed in the USA, made in China. So this is the item out of the packaging. It's nice and light, it's not too heavy. As I was saying earlier, it has a lanyard hole. And this is made of rubber, so you'd keep it like this and keep your knife on this at a 90-degree angle. There's actually a video made by SHARPAL and shows you in detail how to make use of all the features on this product. So this is how you would sharpen the serrated blades and your fish hooks, and you can see there's a indentation there for the fish hooks, and that just sits in place there, doesn't shake out, which is good. And you'd start off here with your knife, flat edge knife, and then finish off here. And this is the fire starter thing, if I can, oh, it's a bit stiff. Oh, that's the fire starter. This bit's plastic. It's nice length, and that just opens up all the way up to there. It's a bit flimsy, so you'll have to hold on to it while you sharpen your fish hooks. Yeah, there's the whistle, and yeah, it's a great item, not too big or small. A great addition to the EDC. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, bye.